Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Yorick from the new HBO show His Dark Materials. So to start off with this, we want to begin with his face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then up like this, kind of like a little check mark shape. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up like this for the eye. Then, starting over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to draw a little line that goes down and up like the little check mark shape. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line in here for the eye. Then I'm going to make these curved lines just a little bit taller. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves out and in. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of go down and then in. And then another one here, it's just going to go down and in. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go over and up, kind of like a little U shape. And then this one's just going to go up, over, and then down, just to kind of form the nose. Then I'm going to put two little curved lines, kind of like little hook shapes right on there for the nose. Then right above it, I'm just going to put two little curved lines. Then right in here, I'm just going to draw some little lines that just kind of go out and then in for part of the mouth. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little line down, right at the bottom of the nose. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes over and down. And then same thing here, it goes over and then down for the mouth. Then I'm just going to draw the line in a little bit on each side. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it around for the bottom of the mouth. Then I'm just going to draw these lines around, and then I'm going to make a big line that goes around here, and then kind of curves up here just to finish off the mouth. Then I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved lines in here. Now right up here at the top, you want to draw a couple little kind of V shapes for some teeth. And then right here, I'm going to draw a little curved line here. And then I'm going to put in some little kind of triangle shapes for the teeth right there. And then a little kind of curved bump line right here at the line going down for the tongue. Now right here by the eyes, I'm going to draw two little kind of curved lines. And then I'm going to start a line that kind of curves in and then comes down here. Draw the same thing on this side. And then right up here, I'm going to make a kind of curvy line with a little bit of a zigzag shape to it, just to kind of make it look like there's some fur on here. And I'm going to kind of curve this down to here. Now, right up here, he's got some armor on. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up on each side. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then it's going to curve around and come to here. Same thing on this side, just kind of curve up and then come down to here. And then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes up and down like this. Then I'm just going to connect this line down to here, and I'm going to draw this line out a little bit we're just going to kind of go over these lines here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of curve in some lines that just kind of come straight back to here. So I'm just going to kind of draw a little bit of like a curved line, and then I'm just going to kind of bring it back. Same thing here, just kind of bring these lines back towards the face. And then I'm just going to kind of do the same thing up here. They're just going to kind of curve up and then come down. And they're just going to do this all the way around, just to kind of form his little helmet that he's wearing. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out and then down. And then same thing over here for his ears. Then you can draw a little curved line inside of here. Okay, now for his body. So starting right up here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down. And then another little bump right here. And then a really tall one that just kind of goes up and then goes down here. So it looks like he's kind of walking. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve in like this. Then a little line that just kind of comes down and then curves in. And then I want this line to come down, but as I do, I'm just going to kind of put some of these little zigzag lines on here, just so it looks like it's really furry. And then you just want to curve the line around. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line right here for a toe. Then I'm going to draw one here. Another one here, and then I'm going to add two more so that I have 5 total. Then I'm just going to add some more little zigzag lines as I kind of go up. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it up to here. Then, starting over here, kind of right by this ear at the bottom, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to kind of go in and then out, then kind of back in. I'm going to leave a little bit of space and just kind of draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. And then I'm just going to take this line, I'm going to kind of curve it into here. And then just put a little curved line right here just to look like it, like this leg is kind of back behind, like he's taking a step. Then starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down and kind of curve like this for his back. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come down like this. Then I'm going to draw this line out, put some more zigzags to make it look like it's furry. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it out and then kind of come in. And then this line I'm just going to go down and then kind of make a little bit of a curve for like a toe. Add another little curve on top. Then I'm going to add a little curved line like this, almost like a circle that's not all the way closed. Then another one here. One more here. And then another one right here. Then I'm just going to bring this line up and then kind of add some more zigzags and leave a little bit of space. And then right here, I'm going to make a curved line, but I want to put lots of zigzags on it to make it look like it's really furry. Now, one of the final things I want to do is add the claws. So just to do that, you just want to make some nice sharp claws on here. These are just going to kind of go in a few different directions. And then these right here, just kind of make these kind of like long curved triangles. And then just want to add a few little details on here. I'm going to add some kind of like zigzag lines down here, just to make them look really furry. I'm going to add just a couple little kind of broken lines around here. And you can just kind of add some little sketch lines too in different spots. This is just going to kind of help him look really furry and hairy. I'm going to make some of these lines a little bit longer and just kind of put some little kind of curved sketch lines all over. Add a couple little lines up here and then some right around here too. And then just a few just kind of around here. And then just a couple more in different spots. And then just some around here. Add a little bit, two little lines right there by his eyes. And then one of the last things I want to do is add some of his scars. So he's got like a big scar right across his nose here. I'm going to make this a little darker. Then he's got kind of a scar up here by his eye. Then he's got one right around his eye as well. And then just a couple more little ones around here. I'm going to add just a couple little lines right above his eyes, and then I'm going to give him some pupils too. And there you go. There is your drawing of Yorick from his dark materials. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.